Hi guys, welcome to Data Analyze project. So in this tutorial today we are going to use Donning chart. How to use Donning chart? I'm going to show you step by step. You are going to create a full stack data analyze project. I'm going to show you a very simple way, a very easy way. You are going to learning how to become a full stack data analyst. And you're going to start your own project and you're going to create a full stack and data analyze from start to end. So if you want to become a programming or if you want to become a data analyst to visualizations, so this course is guide for you. It's easy to learning and it's a very simple to get started. So let's get started onto learning together. Okay, so here we're going to get guys Donning chart. Okay, this Donning chart we're going to get a urban. We're going to put on legend and then the value we are going to use current year casualties. Look guys, look now. Perfect. We are going to resize, put on the center. Everything look perfect. Don't top. So we are going to put on the same size. Cool. Now we are going to format our chart. Come to here, format. I'll go to the general effect. We don't want a background. Now go to the visual. We don't want it, guys. This all urban on the road, rural. We don't want. Plus two. Okay, turning off the legends, and then come down here. If you want guys to rotate, rotation. If you want, so guys, you can use rotation to increase in the rotation. But I don't want to use rotation. If you want, guys, this one is going to be training in the all details. So I want to training on. Now let's go to in general, come to title. Title, you don't want a YC current year, and then okay, I'm turning the color in this one, then font size, font size, uh, symbol, then leave to 11 or just to leave 11 is okay. Okay. So use all 12 as increase 11. Okay. Color, yes. Auto, then its value, was to say, white, and slice, the color, that's to be, this one is too my bad. Going to find this light. Yes, grab a one, rest to get blue one. Okay, it's look now perfect, right? It's look nice, right? Okay, now we're going another one, then Control C, Control V, copy paste. Okay, here we don't want this one. Last to change to light condition. Oh, you see there, the guys, so many questions here. You see, it's too much questions here. We don't want that one. So guys, I'm going to show you very trick things here to learning and how to figure out like this kind of problems or this kind of things. It's very simple and it's here guys to focus how to solve these problems. So you come to here, right click and call new group. Inside call new group. So control all drugs you are going to put in one chat. Yeah, just you call drug. You just call drug and then this you just called day. Now just say okay. Okay. So here we are going to this one. We are going to change on this one. So guys, now this is a very professional work. We are going to figure out how to become a data analyst. If you want to solve really real world problems, you are going to solve like this way. Okay. Now everything is guys look perfect here. We don't want to change nothing. Just okay on title. Then on this will be followed by okay. The conditions. Okay, type okay, it's good, everything is perfect. And let's go to here and slice. We change to this one view to find something else. full perfect color, and we want it to be blue or like uh, okay. This one, guys, is look perfect. So guys, how to create a perfect donor chart. In this way, guys, you're going to create a perfect donor chart or perfect data analysis, and you are going to find a good job in high tech companies. So if you guys want to learn to become full stack data analyst, let me know. Here to help you. You're going to learn how to become a full stack data analyst. Bye for now. I'm looking forward to see you on my next tutorial.